When you think of 90s boy bands, you think of ridiculously good looking guys, slick dance move, pitch perfect vocals, and edgy fashion sense. And then there's me.
Dork. But I will not be deterred.
Today I continue my Campfire Guitar tribute to the musical genre that made every girl feel special and made every guy feel inadequate. I bring you
90s Boy Bands Part 2.
Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs that we all love to remember. Bye 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 was a huge hit for mega boy band NSYNC, and it was widely regarded as their signature song. The band formed in 1995. Funnily, the name comes from the last initial of each of the band members' names, with of course Justin being Justin Timberlake, who went on to a massive solo career after NSYNC. So whether you love them or hate them, 90s boy bands did put out some pretty good songs that translate really well to Campfire Guitar, and this song is no different. Now I'm going to break down the song for you, verse, chorus, all that sort of stuff. I recommend you download the free song sheet that I provide on my Patreon page, all the details below. That gives you the chords and lyrics, and you can play along and practice as I show you this lesson right now. So there are 5 chords in this song. Just note I've got a capo on the 5th fret, so I'll play all the open chords but with the capo on 5, and the song has an A minor, that's the root chord of the song. It's got a G, an F, an E, and it's got a D minor. And the verse goes like this. It's basically an A minor, F and E. So I'll play it for you now. I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a minor to F, E, A minor, A minor, A minor, and then to an F, E, F, E. So that's the verse. So you notice with the verse, I'm hitting the chord and then I'm just basically string muting, putting my hands over the strings, strumming and doing that sort of sound. It's called string muting or scratching. So A minor, scratch, A minor, scratch, A minor, scratch. Now we go to F, E. I live for you and me, girl, now it's plain to see. Do, 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 do. We go to the bridge. Is it the bridge or it's the pre-chorus? The pre-chorus goes directly into the D minor, G, D minor, G. Better look at the words here. So that's a D minor. I know that I can't G, take no more, it ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby, bye, bye, bye. Straight into the chorus. A minor, G, F, E. Don't wanna be a fool for you, G. Just another player in a game for 2, F. You may hate me, but it, E. Ain't no lie, baby. And you can do an E7 if you want. Bye, bye, bye. Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I've had enough. It might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Back to the verse. A minor. Girl, hit me with the truth. And that's the song. That's the basic building blocks of the entire song. Now don't forget to download the free song sheet at my Patreon page. And while you're there, if you like the sort of work that creators like me do, there's an opportunity for you to support our work. For as little as a cost of a coffee a month, you can subscribe to one of my tiers and support my work. Any support you guys give me is super appreciated. Anyway, let's get back to the lesson. So there's this part in the song which is called the pre-bridge, I guess, and that's where they just do a pure vocal, and it's all on the A minor chord. I guess I'll just play it for you because it's pretty easy to play. So, really. Not giving up, I know for sure. I don't want to be the reason for your love no more. Bye-bye. Checking out, I'm signing off. I don't want to be the loser and I've had enough. That's the pre-bridge. So all I was doing was that scratching or string muting with the A minor at the start. just 2 down strums on the A minor, and then you scratch the strings. And that moves straight into the bridge, where there's basically string picking, and all you're doing is arpeggio from sort of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the chords, which I'll show you on the screen there. A minor. I don't wanna be your fool in this game for two, so I'm leaving you behind. Back to the chorus. Don't wanna be a fool for you. G, for 2. F, you may hate me, but an E. E7, A minor. Well, I had enough. I just want to tell you that I've had enough. F, I'm not crazy, but an E minor, da 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 da. And then you just finish the song on the E. G, F, E, A minor, block, A minor, block, A minor. So that is the song. It's actually not too bad to play. It's fun to play, fast tempo, or you could play a real slow sort of lounge room version if you wanted to. I'll leave it up to you. That's what Campfire Guitar is all about. You putting your own spin on the song. Now this is where I normally do a full song playthrough, but YouTube's hitting me up with a lot of copyright strikes, so I'm going to leave a link up there. You can watch my full song cover if you want to. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Don't forget, I'm continuing the 90s boy band series. Next week, I bring you a showdown between 2 of the great English boy bands of the 90s. I wonder who they could be. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you next week. And remember, at Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.